today, even though my shirt says New York. It is Friday morning and I wanted to film a little weekend in my life on my first weekend here. I got up this morning, I slept in as I do. I made some coffee, I paid my rent, I'm doing big girl things, and then I have a brand deal that I need to post. It's funny, it's been in the works for a couple months now. It's with a company called Zuzu Cocktails, and my friend Margot Lee helped set this up for me. I don't know if she's watching this, but love you, Margot. I miss you, and I miss New York, even though I might be coming back soon. Also, I did my nails and I did a little cherry on this nail, and I think it was my subconscious because I look at this every day. I didn't even connect the two, that there are cherries behind my head every night, and I put it on my nail, not even connecting the two. But it is a beautiful day. I'm still kind of like slowly getting into being back. I have a couple odd jobs over the next 2 months, and so I'm waiting to get all of my schedules for those. I might do some laundry. Today might just be like a casual day. Tomorrow I'm meeting up with 2 different friends here, and then Sunday I might be heading to San Diego to celebrate the 4th. Yeah, we will see. I'm going to do the post now and I'll be back later. Got my post up. Oh my god, that was stressful. I've never had to like log in to a business's account and like post on behalf of them, but look at how cute. So here is my Instagram post. So cute. And then I posted a story and then did a takeover on their Instagram as well.
That's all I know. Hindsight tends to make things glow. Forget all of it, forget all of it, forget all of it. Look ahead to find an end, your legs they work all day. We slowly kick some rocks and man the roads to right aways until the line's back up. It seems our plans have been delayed, and no one knows where to go. Forget all of it. Just people we can call their home. I roll with how the way things go. But do I really even?
Oh my goodness. That was such a good workout. I just walked around. There's a reservoir near my new place, and let's see how much this was. Total time, 1 hour and 20 minutes. Active calories, 308. Total, 416. I walked like 4 miles. I walked twice around this reservoir. I am hot, but I feel like I got some good vitamin D. But it was perfect because I walked 2, and then I stopped in my car and got more water, and then walked another 2. My favorite thing to have in my car, there are these white clay acne treatment pads just post-workout, like being sweaty, because I've been dealing with acne because I started a new skin regimen, but it just feels so good to wipe off what's on your face. My morning coffee in my cute little mug. I decided to go with my painter's smock today. I am feeling bloated and crampy, which is super fun. I just feel like hit by a bus. I'm trying to get up earlier and earlier. Today I got up at 9:30, which some people is probably like totally sleeping in. I don't know, it's just a thing. Like I could sleep 12 hours every night if I let myself. I wonder if that'll ever go back to normal, or if it's just like a cancer kid thing. I don't know. But yeah, it is Saturday. It is such a beautiful day. I don't think it's too hot out, which is great, and I'm meeting up with 2 friends. One of them, I used to live with her in the co-living space, so I'm driving out to Culver City, which is a bit of a drive, but I feel like driving on the weekends is way better than on the weekdays here. Then I think I'm meeting up with my friend Clarence after, and I probably need to pack tonight because I think I'm going to San Diego tomorrow. Today's gonna be a good day. I just need to get some coffee and my doll into my body. Okay, so I just went and met up with my old roommate Sana, and I'm back in my old stomping grounds near Culver City, and it just It's so funny to be back. Really, really love my new area, but it's kind of nostalgic. Like, I'm at the Mazda right now where they saved my life and fixed my car. But since I'm over here, I'm gonna stop at my favorite coffee place, Super Domestic Coffee. Really hope my favorite barista is there. He was the one I had a crush on for a hot minute. So I don't know if you're watching this. I adore you so much. Oh, I need to drive now. Okay, my favorite barista wasn't there, but it's okay because they have the best matcha lattes ever. The sweet one. I actually haven't had the other one, but it's like the perfect sweetness, not too much. Oh, so good with oat. Yeah. So fun to be back in this area, but I'm definitely glad that I live in a new one because this one just feels like I did it. I lived here. And I'm excited to be in a new space. But I need to head back now because my friend Clarence is coming. Oh, only 35 minutes, not bad. So I'll get there right before he does. Yum, at least I got a little matcha. Hi guys, it's Cam. So I have been sitting on this couch for like 2 hours and it is Saturday night, a 4th of July weekend. This is a day where I'm like, I've seen 2 people and caught up socially, and so my social bar gets full. And then sometimes I just get anxious, and I actually just had to take my anxiety meds early today. And I just want to be transparent about that because living in a city like this can get overwhelming, but then can also be really slow at times, especially with someone whose work schedule is all over the place like me. So like I have a huge job that I'm super excited about coming up this Thursday, and I have fun plans with friends, but I just need to like embrace the lull of this moment. And this would be a time where someone would like journal, but this is kind of journaling for me, and if anyone can relate, then you understand. I don't work a 9 to 5. I don't have a boyfriend. I just moved back, and I already caught up with 2 friends today, and to know that my social bar is full, which means my energy to socialize is low, if that makes sense. I've become more and more introverted over the years. So I want to just make dinner and chill. It's already 7 p.m. I think I'm going to San Diego tomorrow, so I need to pack and just embrace the slow. But I'm just someone who likes to be busy all the time, and it just gets stressful when I don't have plans. And my friend Clarence was so sweet and invited me to come over for dinner, but I'm like, I don't think I have the energy for that. My anxiety was a little bit high. I just need to embrace the slow moments because I know that these moments are beautiful when I don't have a ton of plans, because I know in just a few months my life is about to get so busy. So I just need to embrace this summer day, and I'll probably go watch the sunset. So that's all I had to say. I think I'm gonna make some dinner and go sit on my rooftop because that'll make me feel good. It's always good to go outside when you're feeling blessed. Let's go to San Diego. on a different boat than we did last night. These are my pajamas, by the way. Look at this, just the bathroom itself. Like a full shower. We're on a boat right now. Also, look how sunburned I am. Oh my god. And then this is the bedroom that we're sleeping in. Yacht party, yacht party. Do a little night routine on the yacht right now. So long story short, there was no room to sleep on our boat, so we're sleeping on the boat that is next to ours. The nicest couple is letting us stay here. What is my life? Like, the last boat was beautiful, and this boat is beautiful, and it's just like, what? But it was just the craziest day. I mean, the 4th, I'm not really celebrating the 4th today for obvious reasons. I feel like you just gotta take when life gives you these weird opportunities and run with it sometimes, you know? I took a shower in here earlier because I felt so gross. Oh my god, these two were just so sweet for letting us do this. What is my life? Also, I'm with my new roommate, Taylor. She's the best. We're here with her family, which is just so sweet. I've only known her for a week, but bless her heart. So, yeah, this is actually insane.
I'll get it. Pronto. Hi. How are you?